Rich, am gêm?
Oedd gêm dda, especially diwedd pan ydych chi'n ennill. Ond o'n i'n meddwl bod y perfformiad fwy na'n byd ffantastig. First half, o'n i'n teimlo bod ni'n well tîm, bod ni'n kind of controlio hi. A wedyn, second half, da ni mor siomedig efo'r gols, da ni diwdio. Da ni well na hynna, mae standards ni well na hynna. So, oedden ni wedi siarad amdano nhw o set pieces o falle, so i iwdio 2 gol o set piece, oedden ni siomedig, a wedyn ia'r chances da ni wedi greu wedyn ar ôl hynny, ac dangos cymeriad dwi'n meddwl, ydy never give up attitude na. So, really proud o'r ogia ag llawn heddiw win o'n i teimlo.
Rhys, you've got a smile on your face, but you must be bitterly disappointed.
Yeah, frustrated. I think it was a really competitive game. It was probably an entertaining game. From our perspective, we scored 2 well-worked goals, which we've worked on and different things. And then from our perspective, we gifted them at least 2 goals that we shouldn't have, and that's really frustrating. But look, they're an improved side, aren't they? When we came up here and won 5-1, it was very, very easy, to be honest, and it was very tough today. Probably a draw would have been a fair result, but it is what it is.
2 goals, take us through them.
Yeah, first one, to be fair, the keeper's gone to ground very early, so I just got a nick on it, and lucky enough it's gone in. But the second one, again, was a good build-up, and to be fair, the keeper, again, spread himself well, but just managed to get it into that far post. So, yeah, very happy with both.
6 games to go, 12 points behind the New Saints. Is it over?
It's been over for a while. I said before, when we were 2-0 up against them at half-time before, I thought, hang on, we actually could be challenging here. But other than that, I've never thought. It's always been about Haverfordwest and teams below them. But ultimately, it's always been about trying to get second. We're still in a good position to do that, but we've got to start winning some football matches quite quickly.
So you're looking over your shoulder now, rather than looking ahead?
I'm not sure the furthest we've been ahead of them, whether it be 10 points or something like that, but even then I was always thinking Haverfordwest can come on strong. And obviously the injuries we've had, I don't like to make excuses and things, but it's been difficult. The squad was a lot stronger today, so it's not such an excuse today. But that's why they've clawed us back a bit, because we've struggled with injuries, and now it's game on, isn't it?
6 gêm I fynd. Da chi wedi deud thai cyn y gêm, a mewn pedwerydd ydych chi. Da chi'n ffefrynna ar gyfer hynny bellach?
So chdi wicio meddwl, ond ia, mae gymaint sy'n gallu newid. Unwaith da ni'n teimlo, ti'n tynnu'r gêm TNS allan, a da ni wedi chwarae dda, momentum o dda, mae gen i structure da, da ni'n gwybod union beth da ni'n neud o falle, a da ni wedi chwarae dipyn adra ar y cae yma, a dal I drio chwarae ffwbol, so pan da ni'n mynd a wer 3G, mae dwi'n eitha siwtio ni, so bring it on.